Hey guys, I'm here to tell you about free ringtones on your iPhone 3G and iPhone 3GS and almost any other phone that accepts MP3 files as ringtones. Now what you're going to do is first in iTunes, make sure your phone's hooked up. As you can see, mine is already. Now go up to Edit, Preferences, and if you have to, make sure that ringtones is checked. That is the only way that you're going to be able to put ringtones actually onto your iPhone. Once you have that done, go to ringtones and make sure that sync ringtones is not checked. That way, if you go over to any of your friends' house, or if you just don't have, if you have like me, a lot of ringtones and you don't want every single one of these on there, then it won't automatically delete all of them off your iPhone and then re-add them. It saves a lot of time. So once you guys all have that set up, go up to your browser and type in free-ringtones.cc and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page just like this. Now, the page does look a little bit sketchy. It looks, like you may have to sign up for something, but really you don't have to sign up for anything. There's nothing that you need to worry about. Now, you have different genres and stuff like that right there, and then you also have all right here. You can even make your own. You can search right here, or you can also search right up here. But since we're right here on music, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this. This front page obviously is only featured music ringtones. You can click right here to see all music ringtones, and it will put it in alphabetical order, or if you just click it, it just goes up to the most popular one. You can scroll down and you can pretty much find anything you need on here. Let's go to page 2 and see if we find something good. AC/DC, good one. Over here is your play buttons. What this allows you to do is this allows you to actually play the whole everything that you're going to get on your ringtone. So all you have to do, just preview it. I like that one, so I'm going to do that with this test. Now once you get to this page, you're going to download for iPhone. If you have an MP3 phone, or a phone that accepts MP3 ringtones, you're going to click this bottom one. But since I have the iPhone and it's a little bit more complicated with the iPhone, I'm going to click that, just to show you guys. Now I am running Mozilla Firefox, so it is going to look different if you're running, let's say, Safari or Internet Explorer. So go ahead and click OK. Now if you have it like me, if you have it set up like I do, it'll let you place the saved file anywhere you need to if you have it set up for Mozilla Firefox. For anything else, if you click downloads, if you have Windows 7 of course, or if you go to Documents, I very highly suggest creating a folder called Ringtones in My Documents or just Documents. Now you can save your file right there. Just hit save and it shows you that it's been saved. Go into iTunes, click File, and add file to library. You will have to look it up. Of course, mine's already set up. So, right there. And as you saw, added right there. Now, the way you do this, the way I said before, don't have it synced up. All you have to do is drag and drop. It'll only sync that ringtone right there. Now just go into your iPhone, click Settings, click sounds, then click ringtones. Then it will have it under the label custom ringtones. Just go ahead and click it and you're all set up. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll have a lot more videos where this came from.